Good morning, family and friends of the Sky Dogs. It's June the 8th, 2021. We are here at Mountain Airpark in Cleveland, Georgia, and we are a group of 6 people that are going to take a trip out west. We want to share this adventure with you on YouTube, so we're glad you joined us. This is the group that's going to go here. We're all sitting, waiting for the clouds to clear. Our trip, we do this annually. Our trip this year is going to be down to the Gulf Coast, Louisiana, and then we're going to follow the coast around to Brownsville, follow the southern border out to California. We're going to look at Death Valley and Grand Canyon. We're going to go out to the Catalina and have some lunch out at that island. So we want y'all to come along with us. We are not professionals at this by any means, so excuse any glitches that we might have. Mostly we just wanted to share this with you. So stay tuned. We're going to try to post once or twice a day, and let's all have fun. We'll talk to you soon. Bye. The weather finally broke and we're on our way.
I'm driving down an empty freeway, no waiting for the light to change. I'm seeing the sunrise behind me.
We flew about 550 miles today in 5 hours, a little over 5 hours, and we are in False River, Louisiana.